forecast over the next couple of days, today and tomorrow. Coverage of heavy downpours and thunderstorms are expected to mainly be during the afternoon hours. So while we're not looking at a lot of rain this morning, once we get into the afternoon, you'll notice our rain chances by around 1 o'clock. We'll go with a 50-50 shot and then up to about a 70% chance, with temperatures in the 80s thanks to some of the clouds and some of the heavy downpours around. Not much showing up on the map this morning. Things are pretty dry and quiet. Active weather down along the Gulf Coast, though, and into the northern Gulf. For us here at home, though, we'll keep it pretty quiet, at least early on in the day. And then notice after about 1 o'clock, now you can start to see some of those showers, thunderstorms becoming a bit more numerous. There's not a lot of steering flow to them, though. We've got an upper level low that's a little bit to our east and northeast. And so that just means that anything that develops is going to be fairly slow moving. And so that could certainly increase the localized flash flooding threat. Tuesday morning, this tries to show at least a few showers in the area to start the day. But then once we heat up, that's when we're expecting better coverage, higher coverage of some heavy downpours, some thunder and lightning. I just don't think we're going to see much in the way of severe weather other than the heavy downpours. Let me show you the Weather Prediction Center actually has us under a slight risk, which is a level 2 out of 4 for the risk of some flooding. And it's got that higher threat level mainly south of I-20 with a level 1 or a marginal risk as you go a little bit further to the north. So for storm impacts today, certainly some heavy downpours, very tropical-like downpours that can make it difficult to drive in. I do think there'll be some thunder and lightning, low risk of any damaging wind gusts, but flash flooding is going to be a concern. I think the main concern with a lot of these storms today. I want to take you down into the Gulf. So some of our forecast models down the road have been suggesting that maybe we start to see pressures lower a bit this weekend here in the Gulf here down kind of in the northern and central Gulf. One thing is for sure, there's obviously a lot of heavy rain. Whether we are able to see an area of low pressure develop at the surface still remains to be seen. National Hurricane Center does not have this area outlooks for some possible tropical development. It's just something that our models have kind of been trending toward, and so something that we'll continue to watch how things play out during the upcoming weekend and into early next week. But I thought I would mention that. Otherwise, it's really just going to be kind of a rain game for us. Rain chances high the next 2 days, and then they start to drop quite a bit heading into the upcoming weekend. And that just means our temperatures will start to climb. So some mid and upper 80s the next 2 days with higher than average coverage of heavy downpours and some thunder and lightning, and then just a few afternoon storms with highs in the low and mid 90s heading into the end of the week and over the weekend. Back to you.